Welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you about the new phone I brought it, that is Samsung M20. Okay, so this actually I brought today itself only. So now I'm going to show you how to open this one and what are the features we have in this phone. Okay, so this I brought from the Amazon website. Okay, now let's open this one. I will tell you slowly everything about the prices and features of this phone. Okay, so once I open this, let me open it. See, after opening this pack, I got only the box here is there and the bill. Okay, this is the Samsung Galaxy M20, the new phone. And you can see this is the feature is there, having the infinite V display, dual camera and 500 battery backup is there, which is having screen is 16, fully HD is there with the V display is there, and the front is 30 megapixel camera with the aperture is 1.9 main, and the 5 megapixel with the second camera which is having 2.2 aperture, ultra wide is there, and that is the back camera. Front camera we have a 8 megapixel which is having 2.0 aperture, so the selfie we can have, so that is, and the battery which I said 500. And this is about the processor we having, it's a 1.8 gigahertz 1.6 octa-core processor, and this is 64 GB memory we have and 4 GB RAM we have. So this is about very good configuration we till now with a good price which I have. And this is about the barcode which we have the product. So this is about we have a new year, and here we got the barcode number is there something. This is okay. Let's open this one and let's check. Please remember my friends, this is actually do not accept if seal is broken. So this is actually the seal is not a broken one came. So if you got seal broken means you need to return the phone immediately. Okay, so this is actually not a pack seal is there. So let's cut it from the fourth side here. Now after trying the packet, let's open this one. Okay, we need to, and it is having here Indian SIM card only. So you can see read dual SIM is having this one phone which you can have. This is about the seal broken, that I am breaking the seal. Okay, now that I'm putting the box here. So let's have a look first what is the coming with this one inside this box. First one is, this is maybe temper, this is actually a warranty came here. See on the screen you can see this is a warranty paper here. I will put here, and one more is there, quick start guide also is there inside that paper, so you can have everything about the instructions that phone about phone. And after that nothing is there, and this is the phone is there. So you can see, look, the look you can see. So here is the phone, you can see it's having the cover is there itself, white plastic cover inside there. This is the front back camera is there, and this is about the fingerprint accents. I think, yeah, fingerprints flash is there. This one is a fingerprint, just a flash, 2 battery backups. Camera is there, 64 GB storage. Let's tear this one. So look, you can see this is all about the phone. You can see here the charger is there. Okay, And this is about the charger is having our adapter is 240 volts charger. See, you can see this is like USB type charger. Okay, along with that box I'm taking, this is my, let me check what is this charger is there. You can see this is actually USB C type charger is there. Okay, see, this is USB C type charger is there. Okay, which came with this phone. So this is actually the main good thing we got here. And along with that I got this one here is the pin inserting about the SIM card. Okay, this is about the pin inserting about the SIM. Okay, I'll put it aside here. So let's see about this one. Okay, like I said about the inserting about the SIM, here is there, you can see here is there. Okay, let me do one thing is there. Let me show you about how to open the SIM. Just insert the tray here. Okay, see, after pressing that one you will be come out with the SIM set. Here you can see two SIM you can add here, and you can add here memory card here. Okay, so this is about the dual SIM which I said, and I'm putting back to that phone. Okay, after inserting, so this is about the front camera is there, and this is about your phone on. This is your volume up, volume down, this is lock, and this is your fingerprint, like which I said, and this is the charging type is there. This is the about your micro sound is there. Okay, and this is the headphone connecting. So with this all we did not got the headphone. Okay, and only we got charging adapter and charger cable. Okay, let me open this phone here. Now I will go to open by pressing for this 2 minutes it will be open, or 2 seconds. Okay, after pressing for the 2 seconds we got opening the Samsung Galaxy M20 Android phone. The OS will be boot here. So you can see this is the start is there. Okay, and this emergency call accessibility is there. So let me click on start here. The Wi-Fi, if you have, you can connect right now. I will just put it off, and this is the agreement which I am accepting the agreement here. So let me accept this all agreement here. Okay, now click next. You can see protect your phone, so it's asking to protect the phone so prevents from any using. So this setup face recognition is there, setup fingerprints there, setup pin or password. Now I will put it later on, we'll skip that one. We'll skip anyway. Okay, later on we'll add it. Click on more, accept this one, Google license. So signing onto your Samsung account. So I have already have account, but we'll skip that one. Later on I will sign that is account. Okay, let me finish this one. So all done, so your phone is to use here. So this is about my phone is there, Samsung M20, and this is look your phone how it's looking. You can see this is, let me first check the which as Android we are having here is about the phone. Going to our settings and about phone, you can see this is about your Galaxy M20, and this is the EMI number which I have a model number, serial number is there, and clicking on the status will show you about the device everything's information. Okay, going to the back, here will be having the software information. There you can see Android we have a 8 version is having, and the Samsung Experience version is 9.5. so this is about the Android 8 version is having. So let me check about the settings here. What is the settings there? Connectivity, sounds, notification, display, advanced features, biometric device. Here is a lock, the same features having, like update also it's showing here. You can update here once you get the update, means going the back here. So this is a by default application came here. So which is the Samsung Galaxy app is there, store is there, and the Google apps is there, and the camera one will I will show you. And then apart from that I got the more apps is not there here. Okay, Calci is there. Okay, let's open the first here is there camera here. So you can see the notification is like scrolling here, Android 8. Okay, so nothing apart from is there. Okay, this is my camera is there, just I have opened it. Now you can see on the screen it's asking to swap right or the left side switch to new mode. Okay, just it's telling to switch on new mode. Just cancel the location if you want to. So I'm swiping left and right to have this look. See, sticker is coming, connectivity shutdown shot is there. These are the some features of the phone is there. BTU is there, which you can see, allow is there. So and this is about the phone is there. BTU Pro panorama is there. So live focus also is there. You can blur the photo also while taking the picture of any is there, and the video recording also is there here on the screen is there, and the front and back camera also is there. Settings going to on the camera you can see. This is about the picture size and fully HD selection is there. Timer HDR is there, auto. So this is about the all the features of the camera is there here, and you can just scrolling. Okay, so all these are about the camera features is there. Okay, so now if like this is about the you can download app anything is there by going to the Google Maps. Okay, and this is about the front and back camera. I have shown you. Sound recording also is a sound button showing, you can see. This is about the sound recording. Okay, so this is a video about my Samsung M20 Galaxy phone is there. If you have any problem you can comment below to my videos. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channel.